Follow safety and security guidelines and instructions properly. Please note, visitors are requested to declare their personal belongings such as mobiles, laptops, cameras or any other electronic devices before collecting the visitor's pass. Please understand the master plan of the office which is posted in each floor. Please restrict visit only to the area or person you are authorized to visit or meet. Do not take pictures without consent inside the office premises. Smoking inside the office premises is prohibited. Hold the handrail and take one step at a time. Walk, don't run. Ensure carried objects do not obstruct the vision. Never engage in cell phone conversation when using the stairs. Do not touch or operate any systems or electrical equipment inside the office unless you are authorized to do so. In case of any minor injuries, we have provided first aid boxes in each floor. Please ask your host for further assistance. Do not overload the lift. Do not use the lift during any fire accidents. In case the lift stops in the middle, do not panic. Use the emergency phone which is placed in the lift and inform the security. In case of emergency, contact security desk at 9999 or the electrical room at 9090. Read the safety guidelines which is pasted in each lift. If you find any unsafe act or condition and near miss, please enter it in a safety alert book which is available at Tower A security or reception desk. Do not run inside the premises. Do not enter into any entry restricted areas and barricaded or cautioned area. In case you hear the emergency hooter or whistle, do not panic. Stay calm and alert. Follow the persons employed in Titan. Do not run. Walk briskly towards Emergency Assembly Point (EAP) and do not run back for your personal belongings. Assemble in the EAP for head count. Do not leave the EAP until the declaration of emergency is over. Your suggestion regarding safety of visitors or employees are most valuable to us. Record your suggestion in the safety suggestion book available at Tower A reception. Return the visitor's pass after obtaining requisite signature to the security while leaving the office. We wish you a safe and pleasant stay at Titan during your visit.